Hi everyone, it's Laura. Welcome back to my channel. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already for more videos like these. So today we are going to Costco. This is a quick shop with me. I went for some groceries, detergent, some paper towels, etc. So I'm just showing you some of the new items that I found. They did have this display full of the Ring cameras. First thing when I walked in, they also had these 5 Night Owl HD security systems for $499 with 99 cents. These men plush pullovers $12.97 in various colors. This is a 143 piece artist set for $29.99. The LED vanity mirror $24.99. The Infinity Pro Conair hair dryer $19.99. They also had the T3 featherweight hair dryer $100. I love the colors. I fell in love with these wicker lined bins, $14.99 each. They have it in a dark brown and a gray. These men Adidas sweatshirts, $24.99 each, and they also had the joggers, $19.99. This is a two-piece PJ set for $19.99, and those robes were $12.97. But honestly, these PJs were really soft. They had a burgundy, a gray. They also had lots of NFL jackets and hoodies. I am in Pennsylvania, so that's why you see the Eagles. But these were $49.99 and $39.99. They had lots of winter apparel for ladies. These are some jackets, $24.99. It comes in black and this taupe. This is a ladies Adidas sweatshirt, $17.99 in some few different colors. These cardigans were really soft. Also, these are priced at $19.99. They have it in a cream color and they also have it in a white. When my son Elias was an infant, I always came to Costco to buy his snowsuit as a jacket. These are $14.97 and I totally recommend these. They keep their feet and all of their legs warm. These are some boys' jackets, $19.99. These are some jackets. These are $14.99. It's like a plushy material in a plaid design. This sweater was $12.99, so basically $13. It comes in a light peach and a gray. These were also so soft. These are some two-piece Calvin Klein sets, $19.99 for young boys and girls. They had two different kinds. These right here are by Nautica, two-piece set as well, but these were priced a little cheaper, $14.99 each. These ultra soft lady sweaters are priced at $14.99 and it comes in some rich, deep colors. These are three-piece tutu sets by Disney. These are priced at $14.97. These were adorable. This is Minnie Mouse and this one right here is Frozen. I thought these were really adorable. And whenever I am in Costco, I like looking at the books. I am a bookworm. Tattooist of Auschwitz, $9.99. Handmaid's Tale, $14.99. They also had the Harry Potter a Hogwarts Christmas pop-up. This was really heavy, but I couldn't find a price on it. They had lots of Dr. Seuss books. I also found these keto guidebooks with recipes, $21.99. This one is titled Everyday Keto for $11.49, and they also had the Instant Pot Recipe Cookbook. Complete novels of Jane Austen, $14.99. 4 novels, Charles Dickens, $14.99. Alice in Wonderland. I love that they had like the gold effect on the pages, you know, the trims. I love that. But personally, out of all of these classics, the Jane Austen ones are my favorite, especially this book. It had a beautiful cover and the inside had a cute design. I should have gotten it, but I also found this Pioneer Woman recipe book, $18.99, Becoming, $11.79. Well, that is it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Like this video if you enjoyed it. And I will talk to you in the next video. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I love you guys. Goodbye.